platform right now. We're getting ready to board the Xiangshan car going to Xiangshan, which is, there's a trail there called Elephant Mountain Trail, and then there's a really nice view of Taipei, the city of Taipei there, and that's where I'm headed. Navigating through this is easy. It's just kind of finding your way. It's kind of typical for others in it's similar to the one in Delhi, similar to the one in Japan, similar to the one in Singapore. So yeah, it's definitely better than the American ones, these MRTs and railways. It's also similar to Hong Kong. They play nice music to let you know that the train is coming. And it lights up, see? The lights